Hello, my name is Akilito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play We Are Young by Fun. I think it's a little bit old song by now, like 3 years old or 4 years old even. I'm not really sure about that, but I really like this song, so I thought I can make a tutorial of this song. And I googled on YouTube the tutorial for this song, and I found that most of the song, tutorials are in the key of F, which is a little bit harder, I think. So today I will teach you this song in a key of C. It's the easiest version, I think, on the internet. So if you want to learn this song and if you think the other versions are really hard, then this is the video for you, okay? First, I'm going to teach you how to play each chord one by one, and then I'm going to show you how to strum with your right hand, and then lastly I'm going to teach you the cool introduction part of this song. I will show you. It goes like this. Give me a second, I need it. Or it goes like this, like that muting introduction part. I will explain it as well. And then later, at the end of the song, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you me singing the song, okay? Then in that way, with chords and lyrics and chords again. So that helps you to learn the song, I think. So that's the whole content of this video anyway. So first, let's get started with the chords, okay? There are 6 chords. So this is the list of chords you're gonna learn. Okay, so first chord you need to know is A minor. Oh, by the way, I use low G strings instead of high G strings. So maybe if you have the high G strings, then if you don't understand what I'm talking about, then you have the ukulele with this sound. You see? My dog has flea sound. But my ukulele is 1 octave lower. Top string is 1 octave lower. Low G, by the way. But the chords are totally the same, so don't worry about it. Today. So I will just, play the normal chords, and you can mimic the chords. Then that works, even though you're playing high G. It's the same chord. Okay. The first chord is A minor. With your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string. That's A minor. The next chord is C. With your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the bottom string. That's C. Okay. Easy, right? The next chord is D minor. A little bit tricky, but I think this is the hardest chord you can find in this version, by the way. The first chord, first, with your point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string, and with your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. That's D minor. Easy enough. And the next chord is E minor. Okay. With a point finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th fret of the 3rd string. That's E minor. Okay. The next chord is F. With your point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string. That's F. The last chord, very last chord, is G. With the point finger on the top second fret of the third string, with the middle finger on the second fret of the bottom string, with the link finger on the third fret of the second string. That's G. So that's the old chord you need to know to play this song. It's very easy, right? There aren't any bar chords like B minor. No, so it's easy, right? Before I jump into my strumming pattern lesson, I would like to test you with the chords. So I'm gonna tell you 3 names of chords. So I want you to play the chords as quickly as you can, okay? First chord, A minor. Can you play that? Right, that's the one. This is A minor. You get that one right. Great. So the next chord, E minor. How's that? Yes, that's it. E minor. How about D minor? Yes, this is the one. Did you get all of these? If you didn't get it, please practice until you get, the chords inside your memories. Because remembering chords are essential to learn the ukulele, so I hope you learn it. Well, move on to the strumming pattern of this song. As an example, I'm going to use C. Okay? This is a chord, by the way. C. Yeah? So, let's get started. So this is a pattern I'd like to use in a song. So I will break it down. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, this is one pattern and you can just repeat again and again and again and again. Okay, let's get started. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You see? That's the whole song. Easy enough, right? If you can't do that, you can just strum down, 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 down. That works too. So you can choose from these two and choose the one you feel more comfortable with. Or you can just try the new strumming patterns if you are willing to play, or if you are motivated to learn more strumming patterns. That's your choice, by the way. Lastly, I'm going to teach you how to play the introduction part, the muting introduction. Okay. In order to play mute, this sound, you can just touch the string gently, okay? Then that mutes the strings. If you press harder, it sounds. But if you touch gently, it mutes the strings. So I'm gonna use that. So just touch the string wherever it is, doesn't matter. You can just touch around here and do down, 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 down. It goes like this, so you can just improvise. There's no right or wrong, so you can just then C. Start like that. So that's the idea I'd like to share with you today. So here is the singing part. I'm sorry, but this time I'd like you to watch the singing part in other video by clicking the card. It's showing right now. Thank you for your cooperation. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.